the Baja Caesar salad. Obviously, being from Tijuana, the border region, this is a salad that's near and dear to my heart. Wow. That's my youth in a bite. Hi, I'm Claudette Zepeda, Executive Chef at VAGA restaurant here in San Diego, California. And today on this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to do one of my favorite salads, the Baja Caesar salad. So we're gonna go through all the ingredients, how to do it tableside, the way they do it in Tijuana, and how to plate it up. These are the ingredients that you would see in Tijuana at Hotel Caesars from the original Cesar Cardini's Caesar salad. He had a bunch of soldiers, sailors land into his restaurant in Tijuana. He had no more food, so Cesar Cardini did what chefs do best, and he improvised. And to me, it's just a big symbol of Tijuana. I did a couple little tweaks that makes it mine. That's definitely a testament to growing up in the border. First things first, garlic cloves that have been minced finely. I have those here, plopped into the bowl. Anchovies, I know, don't look at me like that. I didn't make up the rules, I just follow them. You honestly can't taste them. I can't, and I would be honest with you if I could. The mustard, you can't get fancy with it. I tried to get fancy with it and I got yelled at. It has to be just good old Grey Poupon. Don't get fancy Dijons, French Dijons. If it's not broken, don't fix it. So once you put your mustard in your bowl, just kind of move it around. Add my Worcestershire sauce. Don't ask me how to spell it. Can't help you there. Mixing these flavors together. Then we're going to add, this is another thing that people get wrong, pro tip, lime juice, not lemon juice. This is a juice of 2 limes. We're gonna drop in our egg yolk, and egg yolks are used as emulsifiers, so it will help bind everything together. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. So here I have a mild California extra virgin olive oil that has not been blended. Just about there, you have a nice, thick, homogeneous dressing. And this is one of those parts where I riffed. Instead of parmesan, I have cotija that has been aged for 3 years in caves. So we're going to shave half a cup. It has that real feet quality, the earthy umami saltiness. And there you have it. The dressing is all done. This is probably the easiest part, which is dressing it just like they do in Hotel Caesars. They use the entire romaine leaf, they use baby romaine. So all my leaves are coated in the dressing. Again, not too much, not too little. You just wanna coat them so it's evenly inside and out. I like to make sure that I get into the nooks and crannies, old school that way. Okay, now the plate up. And you're not even trying to get chefy with it. This is just beautiful on its own. So the crouton, in Tijuana, they use a baguette that has been made into a crouton. I like using chicharrone. It gives you, again, that umami, saltiness, and you're just gonna crunch them in between your fingers. It's not meant to be precious. This is meant to be beautiful and delicious. Just want little pops of crunch. Last but not least, more cheese. I'm just gonna just douse it in more cotija. So there you have it. The Baja Caesar salad a la Claudette. This is my version of a classic. The simple act of cutting lettuce yourself in this form and that crunch, it makes you feel like you're having a steak. It makes you feel like you're having this substantial dinner. It stands on its own and it smells insane. It smells so good. And let's go take a test. That is delicious. It's not fishy. If you have any sort of like aversion to anchovies, my teenagers don't like to eat very many things that are out of the norm. I always have a 1-bite rule. Just try 1 bite. Wow, that's my youth in a bite. Make sure you subscribe and you get the other 2 recipes that I have, the birria baos, the street bordered churros. Those are all of my favorite things. Comment below if you tried it, you love it, how you changed it to make it yours, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you guys, bye.